Okay, guys, I got some visitors, but I made quickly some chicken curry with rice and sly. And here they are. My cousin. I see Luchty.
Weasel.
There we go. Tell them where you're going. Where are you going?
Hi everybody, Assalamu alaikum. So I'm just here to come greet Fatima. Sorry I'm not dressed, I'm all closed up. But yes, I just would like to greet everybody because I'm leaving for Umrah inshallah on the 16th of October. Please keep me in your du'as and I will keep you guys in my du'as inshallah. Shukran.
Yeah, wonderful. And here's Dad. Ja, nee, die was goed en alles kom in. Dat ek die wees.
Salam alaikum.
Is dit die honger?
Ik zal die besmaaien. Ik zal die besmaaien. En ze kon zo wat genoeg gesing geweest daarmee. Je was bij je happy geweest dat ik aan een song gesing heb.
En toe wals ons lekker.
Gaan skip maar, lekker. En wil die hele kook of Stony?
Maak je zo niet?
Stony.
Stony zal nogal lekker zijn. Stony. You alright there?
Yes, I'm alright.
So nice to see you.
Thank you, bro.
Wat sê ek? Ek is so bly om vir julle te sien.
Hey, vir 'n wyse bitte kom na my toe. Voetjie of dan not.
Sy gaan ons op pad ek moet kom sê.
Joshua said for me, yo, Mr. Sider, you take the bus from Venusma to Middenburg?
Yeah.
Yes. That's what
Toe, hoe was dit die trip?
En toe loop
Maar net
van Middenburg Avenue.
By Wabas Road, dit is 'n plek Alawiane almal en so. Jo. Ja.
Wat is stukkie man? Toe loop hy mos nou van die busstop af mos nou. Maar daar twee tities saam met hom geloop. Dat jy weet hy wil mos nou dinge sê wat hy weet ek toe sê tities.
Listen, ja. Ek wil nog praat met hulle. Ja. Maar toe sien ek hoe was dit ek besteer wat hier aankom. Jo, toe is maar voor my.
Is so uitgesit, pa.
Ja.
So uitgesit.
Toe kry ek nog wat betal Yusuf. Skep maar met 'n klein bietjie maar sê dan dit is 'n klein tot sê vir my kan. Net vir die baraka mos, né? Weasel, kom is.
Okay, guys, I'm making some carrot and pea stew. It's just simmering away. Looking like, oh, it's gonna be so good. I'm gonna eat this. Throw a little bit more water in. Put the heat up a bit. Yeah. Next, I'm gonna eat this. Okay, guys, as promised, I'm eating my voreltjies and eetjies. Thumbnail. Let's begin. It's a bit high. Bismillah. I put some sly on as well. Cucumber sly. Yes, how have you guys how have you guys been? Swanger praatjies, ek kan nie reg praat nie. Anyways, so I'm gonna go live now on Facebook now. This is just say hello. My pretty. Bye. Okay guys, it's Friday evening. I'm making supper. So I've cut open a whole chicken, and took out the bone in the center, and I just covered it with some salt and pepper and a few potatoes. It's been in the oven on 220 for 45 minutes, and now I'm going to turn the chicken around for the skin to be on the top side, for that final browning of the chicken for the next 20 to 25 minutes. And that's Friday supper. I'm going to add I'm going to make some broccoli, steamed broccoli on the side, and some greens, other greens, and some sweet corn. And there it is guys, salt and pepper chicken out of the oven. Ooh, you know. Ooh. Sorry about that. I threw pepper on the broccoli, so that's why it got to me now. I steamed the broccoli, not for long. I still want a little bit of bite. Put a little white cheddar cheese on, some salt and pepper, and that's it. Only spice I use for this whole meal, salt and pepper. Letting the chicken rest. And here's the plate. I'm going to serve up for the guys. And some broccoli. Potato, can you hear? Crispy potato, crispy skin. Okay. Show you. I took some of the skin down. It's a piece of skin. Yummy in my tummy. How pro. That skin is amazing. Wow. And there it is, Friday night supper. Yummy in my tummy. Ooh. Okay guys, this is my morning routine. I've got some spinach leaves and lettuce that I cut up quite small. It's easier for me to eat. And there's some blueberries. Everything has been washed off already. Cucumber. I'm going to cut some strawberries. Also small. Okay. I don't cut any shape, I just cut. Easier for me to eat. So I won't necessarily eat all of this. I'll have it a bit later as well, but then I know it's done. You know, this is a radish. Nice radish. I actually cut these small as well. Camera verkeerde plek gezet, but anyways, any shape, because we were gonna eat it. Cucumber, also small, and it's easier for me to just chow down. Salad dressing is a little bit of olive oil with lemon juice, some seasoning, and that's it. Very simple. And then I also top it off with some... What did I do now? Ek gooi sommer mis. Sja. Fatima. Some nuts. I hope that's my order. So I take about 4 walnuts. 4 walnuts. Just mix this up a bit. And then I put my walnuts, lekka, followed by the sauce. Ooh, you know. Then I'm also gonna dish me some. I made some vegetable soup, and I'm gonna have from that. A veggie soup. So this is my food for the morning, and then lunchtime, I don't know what. I think I'm just gonna have a chicken, some chicken with salad, and tonight I'm not sure yet. Let's see. It's my soup. Oh, so good. Oh, my morning salad. And that's it. That's my vlog. What I got up to this week, guys. My morning is I love salad. Love it, love it, love it. It's my vlog. I've put it together. I'm gonna watch movies now. Just chill. And then later on, depending how I feel, I'm gonna make a lunch or supper. But I'm in a very good mood. Happy, I'm feeling good. And yes, thank you for watching, tuning in, and I'll be back again with another video soon. Bye everyone. Love you guys. So good. Vegetable soup, split pea soup. Bye everyone.